the things you do on a Sunday morning. One of them is clean out the fridge. And son Dale says, are you going to put it down the toilet? I says, oh yeah. He says, oh, I love those videos. So I thought, okay, I'll do a video. So don't take this too, how do you say it, seriously. Because well, Bims in there. And I've been trying to, well, train him, you know. So, and I heard him screaming there a little while ago. He was, you know, kind of like wipe my, you know, butt. So I'm going in. So here's what I look like. I'm going in. Oh yeah, it's, you don't know what's going on in there. So I'm gonna put my mask up in, because you never know that one either. Yeah. So here I go. Hey, what are you doing? What, you're having a smoke? Yeah, you usually do. After you do your thing. Are you done? Yeah, man. Okay, I'm gonna have a look to see what you've done. Okay. Okay, just go over here. Wow, you pretty much drained yourself. Just put you there. Wash your hands, man. Okay, now this could be this could be ugly. Okay, here we go. That come out of you, man. No wonder you're acting weird. Oh my God. Good boy. Good puppet. Daddy will clean that up. Maybe.